The fight to legalize marijuana in South Dakota is moving from the voting booth to the courtroom. A lawsuit seeks to overturn Amendment A, the ballot measure that sought to legalize recreational marijuana. Today we asked one legal expert about the suit and the comments made by the group who backed the amendment. Austin Goss has the story from our peer newsroom.
Recreational marijuana may have been approved by a majority of South Dakota voters. However, the pathway to legalization just gained some new roadblocks. Neil Fulton is the dean of the USD Knudson School of Law. He took a closer look at the lawsuit Monday.
One of the interesting questions here is it's a constitutional provision, and like the plaintiffs are arguing, generally those are more broad, open-ended principles as opposed to nitty-gritty regulations.
The plaintiffs argue the amendment violates the state's one subject rule, which means that constitutional amendments cannot cover more than one topic.
Processes for how we amend our Constitution and how amendments are explained to make sure that that process is fair and open. And I think really the plaintiffs are saying that this was too broad for people to have a good understanding of it, and it didn't follow our structure on the division of responsibility on how the Constitution's got to be amended.
In a statement, South Dakotans for Better Marijuana Law said, quote, "We are prepared to defend Amendment A against the lawsuit filed by Pennington County Sheriff Kevin Thome and Superintendent of South Dakota Highway Patrol Colonel Rick Miller. Amendment A was carefully drafted, fully vetted, and approved by a strong majority of South Dakota voters this year," end quote. The group also argues the lawsuit was filed incorrectly as a contest to an election. However, Fulton says that might not be the case.
Really looking at is that's the mechanism to bring it into court. The underlying real question is still going to be for the judge and justices when this gets to the South Dakota Supreme Court one way or the other is what is the meaning of single subject?
In the peer newsroom, I'm Austin Goss.